Ever stared at your GrabPay wallet, eager to send a larger sum or unlock those sweet Grab rewards, only to be met with a pesky account limit reached or a feature you just can't seem to access? You're not alone. Many GrabPay users hit this wall, wondering why their wallet isn't performing at its full potential. The answer, more often than not, lies in verification. Think of it like this: your unverified GrabPay wallet is like a car with a speed limiter. It gets you from point A to B, but it can't unleash its full power. Verification, on the other hand, is like removing that limiter, giving you access to higher transaction limits, more seamless payment experiences, and a whole host of features that are simply unavailable to unverified accounts. It's not just about spending more, it's about a more robust, secure, and ultimately, more rewarding GrabPay experience. So, how do you unlock that full power? How do you move beyond the basic functions and truly maximize what GrabPay has to offer? The key is to verify your wallet, and luckily, the process is straightforward. Let's dive into the steps. First things first, open your Grab app. Navigate to the GrabPay section. You will usually find it prominently displayed on the main screen. Once you're in the GrabPay section, look for an option related to Verify or Upgrade Wallet. This might be a banner, a notification, or a specific menu item. Tap on it. The app will then guide you through the verification process. The most common requirement is to submit a valid form of identification. This could be your national ID card, passport, or driver's license. Make sure the document is current and clearly legible. You'll likely need to take a photo of both the front and back of your ID directly through the Grab app. Ensure good lighting and that all the details are visible and not blurry. Beyond your ID, Grab will also typically require a selfie. This is to ensure that the person verifying the account matches the ID provided. Again, find good lighting and ensure your face is clearly visible and not obscured by anything. The app might even guide you with an outline to help you position your face correctly. In some cases, especially for higher verification tiers, you might be asked for additional information, such as proof of address. This could be a utility bill or bank statement with your name and address on it. If prompted, have these documents ready as well. Once you've submitted all the required documents and information, Grab will review your application. This usually takes a short period, sometimes just a few minutes, but occasionally it can extend to a few hours or even a day, depending on the volume of applications and the complexity of your submission. You'll receive a notification within the Grab app once your verification is complete. And that's it. Once verified, you'll immediately notice the difference. Your transaction limits will increase, you'll be able to access more services, and your GrabPay wallet will be truly optimized for all your digital payment needs. It's a small step that makes a huge difference in your overall Grab experience, transforming it from a basic tool into a powerful financial companion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.